So what are we doing that's new and exciting around Autonomous Data Warehouse? The big thing is we want to empower the innovators, the data analysts, the data scientists, the developers in your business to make it easier for them to get their value out of their data without needing any help from any other engineers or people in an IT organization. First, let's look at the data analysts. What do they want to do? So as I mentioned earlier, after they press the button and provision the Autonomous Data Warehouse, the next thing they want to do, of course, is load data into that data warehouse. And so we now have added tools that make it really easy for them to drag and drop data sitting in files or other data sources into the data warehouse. We have tooling that makes it easy for them in a declarative fashion to specify transformations on their data, to cleanse their data, et cetera, again, to make it ready for analytic analysis. And we have a new way of looking at your data automatically and understanding if there is a multidimensional model there, and we'll automatically build out that model for you in a way that can be consumed by any of the standard business tools out there in the market, like Tableau or Qlik, as well as Oracle's Oracle Analytic Cloud tool. And then finally, we will automatically sort of gain insights into your data. We'll look at your data, the statistical patterns of data, and we'll give you some interesting insights out of the box to help get you started when you're exploring new data sets. Okay, so what about the data scientists? What are we doing for them? So they have the same startup thing. Once you provision the data warehouse, again, they want to load the data, and so they also are. We can use these new tools we provide for simple dragging and dropping data into your data warehouse. They can also use the tools for transformation, the declarative tools for data transformations to help them prepare and transform data to get ready for building their data models. And then one of the exciting new things we have here is, we have many machine learning algorithms built into the Autonomous Data Warehouse already, all the popular ones for neural networks, et cetera. But now we have AutoML. And AutoML lets anybody, it makes a data scientist much more productive in building out their data models, but it makes anybody who is a developer or a data analyst into a citizen data scientist. You can just give us your data, tell us what kind of predictions you want, what are the columns that you think are the features you want to analyze to help the prediction, which of your data is maybe the predictive data points you're trying to look at, and we will automatically go through our collection of machine learning algorithms for you, figure out which ones produce the best predictions, and give you a result out of the box without you having to be a PhD computer scientist. It's pretty amazing tooling. And then finally, we have an integrated tool, GUI, that helps you deploy your machine learning models. For developers, we've had for many years a tool called Apex, available with our Oracle databases. That tool is also available with Autonomous Data Warehouse. It's integrated into the product. And again, anybody who's a citizen developer can use this low-code app dev tool to help you build applications 20 to 40 times faster than what you can do with hand coding. One of the things we like to say now is coding should now be the exception, not the rule. And so pretty much anybody should be able to use Apex and build out very powerful web-based, browser-based applications that they deploy on their mobile phones, deploy on laptops, desktops, at very high productivity levels. You see on this slide a picture of the kind of beautiful applications you can build using this tool. We also have a great tool called REST Data Services that helps you integrate with either consume information from external REST data sources, or actually build out REST interfaces on top of things like your Apex applications. And let me welcome you to take a look at our Oracle.com website, where you can learn more about Autonomous Data Warehouse. And especially, I encourage you to try to get started with Autonomous Data Warehouse, where we let you get your hands on the product and try it out and see for yourself if it's as easy to use as what I'm saying here today. Thank you.